We all know what happened last month. Deadly thunderstorms and lightning strikes killed dozens across Uttar Pradesh. But here's a disturbing question. What if the problem isn't just extreme weather? What if we are not measuring it accurately enough? A new report by India's leading climate scientists has raised a serious concern. India has gradually lost much of its capacity to build and calibrate critical climate instruments. Many researchers have relied on imported sensors and equipment, and scientists warn that measurement errors may have affected climate data and even some published research. And here's the thing, a forecast is only as good as the data behind it. Imagine driving through a storm with a cracked windshield. That's what managing climate change looks like without accurate measurements. When a thunderstorm turns deadly in minutes, every missing weather station becomes a blind spot. For farmers, a national forecast means little. They need village level data to decide when to sow, irrigate, or prepare for a heat wave. Because climate change happens globally, crop failure happens locally. The challenge goes far beyond weather forecasts. Experts say India still lacks enough greenhouse gas observatories, climate risk maps, soil carbon monitoring systems, and emissions measurement networks. And that's not just an environmental problem. In the future, climate data could influence carbon markets, international trade, insurance costs, and investment decisions. You can't manage what you don't measure. But here's the encouraging part. India has already started building the climate infrastructure it needs. Under Mission Mosam, the country is expanding Doppler weather radars, advanced satellites, ocean monitoring systems, and high performance computing networks. Scientists are establishing climate observatories from the Himalayas to the Andaman Islands to continuously track changes in rainfall, glaciers, forests, oceans, and the atmosphere. At the same time, researchers are developing India's own Earth system models, climate models designed specifically for Indian monsoons, heat waves, glaciers, and coastlines instead of relying entirely on models developed abroad. And with AI powered forecasting and hyperlocal predictions, weather warnings are becoming more precise, reaching districts, towns, and eventually even villages. Because before India can fight climate change, it must first understand it. And that starts with measuring it better. India doesn't just need climate action, India needs climate visibility. Follow Climate in Brief for more stories that matter.